Understanding the phrase, To Play Judas, an English language learning guide. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're diving into the intriguing world of idiomatic expressions, specifically the phrase, To Play Judas. This phrase has a rich history and a powerful meaning, and we'll explore it in detail. So, let's get started. To play Judas is an idiom stemming from a biblical reference. It originates from the story of Judas Iscariot, one of the 12 apostles of Jesus Christ. In the Bible, Judas is infamously known for betraying Jesus to the authorities in exchange for money. This act of betrayal is why the phrase, to play Judas, is used to describe someone who is betraying trust or being treacherous. Understanding this historical context is crucial to grasp the full weight of the expression. In modern English, to play Judas is used in various contexts, mostly to describe an act of betrayal or disloyalty. For instance, he played Judas when he revealed his friend's secrets to others. In the corporate world, playing Judas can mean giving confidential information to a competitor. These examples show how the phrase can be applied in everyday situations. It's important to note that the term often carries a strong negative connotation. While to play Judas is a colorful and historical phrase, it's essential to use it sensitively. Given its biblical origins, some might find it offensive or too harsh. It's best used in contexts where the gravity of betrayal is significant and clear. Always consider the audience and setting before using such idiomatic expressions. Let's practice using to play Judas in sentences. 1. Create a scenario where someone betrays a friend's trust. 2. Discuss a situation in a business context where an employee might be disloyal to their company. 3. Reflect on a historical event where a figure was accused of betrayal. These exercises will help you understand and use to play Judas correctly in various contexts. Thank you for joining us in exploring the phrase, to play Judas. We hope this lesson has been enlightening and adds a new dimension to your English language skills. Remember, language is not just about words but the history and culture they carry. Happy learning, and see you in our next video.